Good morning. Myself, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, Associate Professor Soil Science, PG Department of Agriculture, Khalsa College, Patiala, India. We want to discuss about management of problematic soil and water. Soil 513 course code. This course offered in as a minor subject in MSc Agriculture Agronomy Part 2nd. So today we will discuss topic saline and alkaline soils. Saline and alkaline soils. In saline and alkaline soils, there is presence and excess of sodium salts or predominance of sodium among exchangeable bases, and pH is greater than 7, known as saline and alkaline soils. Basic difference of saline and alkaline soils are based on three components: EC, electrical conductivity; ESP, exchangeable sodium percentage; pH, potential of hydrogen ion. So saline soil is having EC is more than 4, ESP less than 15, pH less than 8.5. Now second type of soil, alkaline oblique sodic, EC less than 4, ESP more than 15, pH more than 8.5 to 10. Third type of soil, alkaline saline, having both type of character in this soil: EC more than 4, ESP more than 15, pH more than 8.5. Basic difference of saline, alkaline and alkaline saline. Now we will discuss saline soil. Saline soils, the soil contained primarily the soluble salts of chlorides and sulfates of sodium, calcium and magnesium. The EC is greater than 4 DSM decisiemens per meter, and ESP is less than 15%, and pH is less than 8.5. The soils correspond to Hilgard's white alkali soil, predominantly NaCl, Na2SO4 and Na2CO3 is always absent in saline soils. This is saline soil peaks. Now alkali oblique sodic soils. This soil contain of sodium on exchange complex. The ESP is greater than 15, pH is greater than 8.5 to 10, and EC is less than 4 decisiemens per meter. These soils were called black alkali soil, oblique sodic soil, oblique degraded alkali soil. Due to high pH and dominance of sodium ions in these soils, soil organic matter dissolves and comes into the soil solution. Alkali soils may be divided into following groups. First is saline alkali soils. When they contain soluble salts in excess, the ESP is greater than 15, pH is more than 8.5, EC is greater than 4 deciciment per meter, they are known as saline alkali soil. Second one is non-saline alkali soils, called as alkali soil. When they do not contain soluble salt, they are known as non-saline alkali soil. The soil do not contain soluble salt. Third one is degraded alkali soils. Under certain circumstances, the clay complex of some alkali soils is broken down to give rise to degraded alkali soils. The ESP, exchangeable sodium percentage, is greater than 15 and EC is less than 4. That will be degraded alkali soils. The soils absent calcium carbonate CaCO3, horizon A and B acidic, dark colored compact soils, low infiltration rate. This poor physical condition is very poor degraded alkali soil. See here, this is degraded alkali soils. Now we will know about the area of problematic, especially in saline and alkali soils in India. State-wise data: in UP 12.95 lakh hectare, Gujarat 12.14 lakh hectare, West Bengal 8.5 lakh hectare, Rajasthan 7.28 lakh hectare, Punjab 6.89 lakh hectare, Maharashtra 5.34 lakh hectare, Haryana 5.26 lakh hectare, Odisha 4.04 lakh hectare area saline and alkali soils, and Karnataka 4.04 lakh hectare, MP 2.24 lakh hectare, AP Andhra Pradesh 0.42 lakh hectare, Delhi 0.16 lakh hectare, Kerala 0.04 lakh hectare, Bihar 0.04 lakh hectare, Tamil Nadu 0.04 lakh hectare. Total land of saline and alkali soil in India 69.49 lakh hectare. It means 7 million hectare area under salt affected soil. Maximum area in UP 12.95 lakh hectare. Minimum area in Kerala, Bihar and Tamil Nadu 0.04 lakh hectare. Now, detrimental effect of soil salinity and alkalinity. क्या effect soil on the soil surface of soil, bad effect of saline soils? absorption of water and nutrients, salt toxicity to bad effect on saline soil, and bad effect on alkali soil, physical property affected, availability of plant nutrient reduce because going to be unavailable form, reclamation of alkali and saline soil. Principle for any reclamation technique to be permanent. 3 essential requirements have to be met with Calais 1951. The land must be prevented from reverting to original condition. Salt of alkali must be removed from red zone. First, second is the repair of the damages already done to the soil should be substantial. Reclamation of saline soil. First method is mechanical method. Construction of embankment to prevent tidal seawater, land leveling and contour bonding, establishment of drainage network, breaking of hard pan in subsurface layer through boring agar hole. Second method is reclamation of saline soil is hydrological method. Flushing of salt, we can flush the salts, leaching of salts and drainage the salt under hydrological method. Third method is chemical method, reclamation of saline soil, use of chemical amendment like pyrite, FeS2 or lime sulfur. We can reclaim with the help of both chemical. Fourth method is physical methods, scraping of salt crust, deep tillage, subsoiling, profile inversion, use of soil conditioner, that is sand, tents, as manure and synthetic polymers like PVC pipes. We can use conditional material for reclamation under physical method of saline soil reclamation. This is salter belt and drainage for the controlling of the salts. Solution for soil conservation, preserve the soil and control the erosion by the strip cropping, contour bundings and contour forming. Now fifth is biological method, use of manures, green manuring, butter hyacinth. Last option is selection of salt tolerant crop variety for partially reclaimed soil. First crop should be grow in paddy go through salt tolerant variety CSR 23, CSR 89 or latest variety released by CSSRI Karnal CSR 36. Very bumper or very excellent performance in saline soil, salt affected soil. Average yield in salt tolerant variety 35 to 40 quintal per hectare. Second or third year we can grow wheat salt, some wheat salt tolerant variety KRL 210, KRL 211 and KRL 1-4. Now this is butter hyacinth for reclamation of saline. Now reclamation of alkali soil / sodic soil. chemical method, application of gypsum. One point again repeat, if you want to reclaim saline soil, use pyrite or lime sulfur. If you want reclaim alkali or sodic soil, you should add gypsum. There will be a reaction in soil Na2CO3 plus calcium sulfate, CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Use of sulfur also, 2S plus 2H2O plus 2O2, 2H2O. Again react with Na2CO3 plus H2SO4, CO2 plus H2O plus Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. That will be partially reclaimed soil with the help of chemicals. Now adding of organic matter, we can use sulfuric acid also in 1.5% solution of sulfuric acid, Na2SO4 plus H2SO4, CO2 plus H2O plus Na2SO4. We can grow paddy, salt tolerant variety of paddy. Now cultural method, mechanical method, construction of embankments to prevent tidal sea water, land leveling and contour winding, establishment of drainage network, breaking of hard pan layer in the surface layer through boring of agar. 2 is hydrological method is same to saline, flushing up of salts, leaching of salts, drainage of salts. Chemical method is different. Use of here, by mistake is print in pyrite and lime. No, here chemical method use of gypsum, sulfuric acid and sulfur. Now physical method is same. Physical methods is a scraping of salts, crust, deep tillage, subsoiling, profile inversion, change of the profile, horizons, use of soil conditioner, that is sand, trench as manure and synthetic polymers. We can reclaim with the help of physical method of reclamation. Now management of saline and alkali soils. Both soil is same management points. First is selection of crop variety. It means should we select salt tolerant variety. Second is tillage, deep tillage. Should prefer the deep tillage or whatever cropping pattern is windings, row and bunds we can plan. Third is layout. Layout should be done. Seed rate and spacing. Seed rate should be increase and spacing should be decrease because tailorings will not be improved in salt tolerant soil. Irrigation and drainage. Irrigation is important, but drainage is very important for flushing or remove the excess water, excess salt water, immediate effect. Now fertilizer. Fertilizer very important. Fertilizer application should select acidic nature fertilizer in salt affected soil. Thank you. Thank you very much. If any doubts, any questions, you can put in comments box. Thank you.